Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains That, and today we're at Newark Northgate on the East Coast Main Line. Normally I have the camera facing this way, so today is going to be no exception. You're being seen services by Virgin Trains East Coast, Grand Central First Haul Trains, and various freight as well as him joining me for this episode. What he said. As we were setting up, 66115 passed by with the Dons to Scunthorpe. Several VTEC units have been through, so let's see what else shall turn up. Also, a YouTuber named Platform 6.
Platform 6 does not exist here.
Oh no,
platforms
but
1,
still.
2 and 3.
He said great content and all, and commentary and all that, but apparently the camera work was a bit meh.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Yeah, shout out to Platform 6. And because I'm going to, and now, because of that comment, I'm going to
be steadier.
Yes. So let's see what else shall turn up. Just about to come in now will be your 1334 arrival off of London King's Cross to terminate. You're too quick, sir. 153 43 310 44075 42317 42237 42330 42326 42306 40701 41095 41185 and 43208 Lincolnshire Echo from King's Cross. Hey, it's him, the announcer. Next up, a fast from Leeds to London King's Cross.
111 Aberdeen at London King's Cross.
Oh wait, that means northbound to Leeds. Okay, so this is the Northern Lights off of Aberdeen to London King's Cross. You've been telling me anything. You've been telling me everything else. 43 315. And 43 257. That's what I was heading to London King's Cross.
I apologise for the leads.
Now to arrive will be a 1344 Virgin Trains East Coast service from King's Cross to Newcastle. Hashtag Train Spotting Live.
Train service to Newcastle.
Because the assignment is to make to get a 91.
York, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham and Newcastle Central. First class, rear standing class, middle and front food bar available on this service.
91 129 12212 12431 12404 12426 12330 10333 11284 11312 11412 and 82212 as we turn the camera around. What's this? It's a non-stop. King's Cross, cheers. 82204 and 91 103 and a tone from the driver as well as away from the driver, heading to King's Cross. Next up, the First Haul Trains, your service from Hull to London King's Cross. Calling it Grantham and London King's Cross. Leeds 91 105 and 82214 to Leeds from King's Cross. 180 111 180 111 to King's Cross. Next up, Grantham. Nice crossover. And you take the VTEC, your 1354 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Grantham, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross.
208 Lincolnshire Echo.
43 Lincolnshire Echo. Wait, what will this form? This will continue doing Newark.
This will then go, I think, probably Leeds after.
Oh. It's a shame it's not tonight to Lincoln. It's a shame that it's not tonight to King's Cross to Lincoln. You should know the coaching stock because I saw it on the arrival. Well, I told you on the arrival. With 41185, 41095, 40701, 42306, 42326, 42330, 42237, 42307, 44075, and 310 to London King's Cross. To Grantham, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross.
Front standing class at the middle and rear, and a food bar.
Well, that was 43, 423 and 43.
London King's Cross to Sunderland.
It was 43, 423 and 43 something else.
Cliff and Hartlepool.
From King's Cross to Sunderland. Sneaky bugger.
You didn't even have time to stick your fingers in yours.
Sneaky bugger.
Because I don't want to.
Leeds.
Here comes the King's Cross.
No, you
service.
can't move, Sam. You're frozen like ice. Right, next through this side.
It's a Hust. Hust.
Will be 1 for 31. From Leeds to London King's Cross.
East Coast Hust.
I'll try and get him to Blair.
Yeah.
No dairy milkshake.
I thought you said you don't want any.
That sounds rude. Come on.
It's on, Sam.
Come on. Come on. East Coast Hust. 43, 307. And 43, 312 to King's Cross with a boring driver.
You ultimate boring fart. A fart is more entertaining.
Here's a fast. Again for hashtag Train Spotting Live for Edinburgh. 91119. 82 207 to Edinburgh Waverley.
It's on far end, Sam.
Here comes the Leeds train. 91128 Intercity 50 and 82 229. I heard that. Next out, you've slightly delayed 1417 Virgin Trains East Coast service to King's Cross. 82 230 is leading the train away. I'm not going to read coach numbers because it's blooming. Well, I tried doing that and I probably ended up shaking the camera like a bull in a china shop. So now I'm placing the camera close to Andrew so he can say
someone that we know is a bull in a china shop. Whilst that goes back to red, we're going to see Coach M being number 11422. Coach L,
he's pulling away slow,
being 11322. Coach K, 11291. The Cafe Coach, 10301. F, 12316. E, 12473. D, 12460. C, 12452. B, 82 and
91122 to London King's Cross.
That was good. Ian never reads the coach identification letter. Sorry, Ian, but you're less famous now.
But Ian doesn't talk in his videos anymore.
Exactly. That's why he's missing out. So get in.
I'm moving back all the way over here
I'll be blown, but not as bad as Lucas for sleepers.
because we've got a Leeds to Felixstowe Freightliner. I don't trust Freightliner. It won't. Here he comes. Shed. 66572. Christ on a cracker. Fast. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Jesus. Whoa. Steady. 66572 to Felixstowe. bloody hell!
To Felixstowe.
That,
Via Peterborough, Ely, Ipswich and Trimley.
wow, damn. That's going quick.
Next in for the VTE to the C.
Next
Virgin
in
Trains East
your
Coast
1434 Virgin
Cross to
Trains
York.
East Coast service
This train calls at Retford,
to
higher level
York.
Doncaster and York. Change at Retford for services towards Hull. On the face is 43,250.
43251. And 43305. To York. As the rain decides to pick up,
Just put it on. Any second
It is
through the
a-
Virgin East Coast, we want Echo 13 on the Northern Lights Island Chieftain Inverness
Inverness Highland Chieftain. It's a
to
host.
London King's Cross.
Yeah, we've got an Inverness to King's Cross train approaching.
Coming via
This is
Perth,
the only
Stirling,
King's
Falkirk,
Cross of-
Grahamston, Edinburgh, Waverley,
There is
Newcastle,
only
Darlington, York,
2
Doncaster
services a day.
and Retford.
There's only 2 services a day.
And this
One to
unit
King's
is
Cross
run
and one
by
to
a
Inverness.
high-speed train set being the following load.
East Coast Hust.
Brig on the helm.
43314. And 43320.
On the rear.
That's up from that's up from Inverness at about 6 o'clock this morning.
And that left Inverness at 07:55 acres.
Yes, the rain is really starting to pick up Igham's HST.
Here's 1 Alpha 33 from Leeds to London King's Cross.
Go away, rain, you're not wanted.
Nor are most people, to be honest, let alone weathers.
We're not going to mention any names on that.
East Midlands set.
Hey, East Midlands set. Which means this will be 43. Oh, 82. And 43061. And here's your 1444 to Edinburgh. 91115.
Races.
Radom races. Finally, a 91.
Platform 1.
Oh yeah, my blooming
arriving,
LCD screen's fogging up again. That sucks. 91115, Bladen Races and 82 216. Is 1 off of Sunderland to London King's Cross for Grand Central.
Sunderland, 1 Alpha 65. Good one by another lamp name. There's an HST set.
Wait, is it a Bradford or a Sunderland?
Sunderland.
Oh yeah, of course it is. 43 465 and 43 468. Grand Central only has 1 first class carriage.
Is that 68?
Yeah,
Good.
Grand Central only has 1 first class carriage.
Yes.
I wonder what that means.
Well, I think it means that all the grand people don't live in the centre of a city, because Westminster's not in the centre of London, it's in the bloody west end of Westminster.
Logic.
Another VTEC.
VTEC northbound. 91117 West Riding Limited. 82 226.
From London
To Leeds.
Cross to Leeds.
Very nice. Next up for VTEC 82210 on your 1456 service from York to London King's Cross.
Led by 82-210 on the Elm.
Yes, and it is led by 82210, as I just said. I was going to say, you can go now. How has he survived the whole trip from York? Wait, is there any crew changes on the York trips?
No.
Or is that just Newcastle and Edinburgh?
Them. Okay, 11405 is on M. L receives 11305. K receives, or being buzzed by a belly ground near 11219. The cafe is 10326. F is 123 hundreds. E is 12522. 12520 is D. C is 12486.
130 to London King's Cross.
In the rear.
And as she continues on, I'll probably leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching another episode of Trains at Newark Northgate. It is greatly appreciated. If you have liked what you've seen here today, then please like and subscribe. It helps me out a hell of a lot, as it does with him. The next station for us will be on the... well, will probably be Worksop, actually.
A private land.
Yes, Worksop, Shire Oak... well, no. Worksop, Kiverton Park, Kiverton Bridge... I don't know. Not, you're probably wondering why not Sheffield, because we don't probably have the time yet. But they will be the next few stations, so stay tuned for that. They probably won't be in Trains At format. Well, the Worksop will, but the other lots might not. We'll be joined along with... oh yeah, turn around quickly.
Service from London King's Cross to Hull.
Yes, we will be... no, we won't be joined by that. We will be joined by it right now with 180, 109...
to Hull.
Anyway, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you, of course, with him, with AB Trains, and with DB Trains, hanging around at Worksop on the 25th. So until then, it is goodbye from us here at Newark.